Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will share some beautiful ideas and informations about what is scrap metal art. I hope that you will love this video, but before starting do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Scrap metal is a unique and fascinating form of expressions that transforms discarded metal into stunning works of art. From sculptures to garden decorations, there's no limit to the creativity that can be unleashed through this medium. Whether you are an inspiring artist, DIY enthusiast, or just looking for a new hobby, here's beginner's guide to get started with making scrap metal art. But before continuing, I will tell you about the history of scrap metal art. The history of scrap metal art can be traced back to the early 20th century, when artists and sculptors first began to experiment with using discarded metal scraps as a medium for their work. During this time, the rise of industrialization and the increased use of metal in manufacturing and constructions led to a surplus of discarded metal scraps, which artists began to collect and use in their work. In the 1920s and 1930s, artists such as Pablo Picasso and John Miros began to incorporate scrap metal into their works, often incorporating the rusty weathered appearance of the metal into their pieces to create a sense of decay and industrialization. Today, scrap metal art has evolved into a vibrant and diverse field, with artists working in a variety of styles and mediums to create works that range from abstract sculptures to functional objects such as furniture and lighting fixtures. The use of discarded metal scraps in art continues to be an important way for artists to reflect on the impact of industrialization, technology, and the environment, and also to create works that are both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally sustainable. I hope that you are loving these beautiful metal scrap ideas for your interior home decoration. Thanks for watching this video. At the end, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Goodbye.